Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can download and install Composer in your device. So in order to install Composer or download Composer, just search over here Composer, then go to this link getcomposer.org. Just click over here and it will take you to this page, and I'll also give this link in the description. So after coming to this page, here you can see the download option. Just click on this download button. Then you will see this page. Here you can see Windows installer and command line installation. So you can install Composer using those commands, or you can just directly download it and install it. So we are going to use this download and run. So here you can see Composer setup.exe. If you just click on it, it will start downloading. There you can see, and it is like around 2 MB. So this is a really small file. So right now I'll just double click on this file, and then you will see something like this. Here you can see install for all user recommended. Just click here, install for all user. And after this, you will see this developer mode. I'll suggest you not to check this, because otherwise you will face some issue while you want to uninstall Composer. So just keep it the way it is and then click next. And then here you will see the file location where you need to install Composer. So this needs to be exact location. So before installing Composer, you also need to have installed XAMPP in your device as well. Okay, because it will choose the XAMPP PSC file and psc.exe file in order to install Composer. So after it, just click next, and you do not have to do anything. Just click next, then click install, and then it will be installed. You don't need to read it. Just click next, and here you can see it is complete. So right now just click finish, and Composer is installed in our device. And how do you check it? So in order to check it, just go to command prompt, just search over here cmd, and then you will see something like this command prompt. Just open it. Let me zoom in, and here we need to say Composer. And if you now press enter, if Composer is properly installed, you will see this Composer, and you will also see the Composer version as well. So this is how you can download and install Composer in your device. So if you have any question, any problem, or any suggestion, just comment below. Make sure to give a like to this video. Also subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.